today we're going to be doing a little bit more of a vlog type episode. Putting this little guy down for bed today. Can you say hi? Can you say hi?
Hello.
So I have a video clip I want to show you guys here in a minute, and then we'll get this guy to bed. But we went up on the mountaintop. Do you remember going up on the mountain?
Yeah.
Yeah, we rode that train. What was it? Was it fun? Was it bumpy?
It's scary.
It's scary. Was it cold up on top? So my grandmother-in-law was in town and we went up on the mountain. So I got a couple of pieces of footage for you guys for that. Really cool experience. And then if you can't tell, I sound a little nasally. You have a little bit of a cough. So family's been, yeah, there you go. So the family's been sick, but I want you guys to check it out. After the video clip's done, I'll catch up with you guys after he's asleep. So are you showing off for the camera?
It's pretend.
It's pretend, okay.
Pretend
So
sleep.
I'll catch up with you guys right after this clip. Hey guys, this is Jeremy and I'm at the top of Pikes Peak. It is really windy up here, but it is gorgeous. Check it out. Me, my grandmother-in-law, and my son took the Cog Railway up here. Let me show you. It is absolutely fantastic here. I want to show you guys the Rockies. I have no idea how this sounds because I didn't want to look like a tourist. We're 14,000 feet up. I cannot catch my breath for anything. Let me show you this line and I got to get back on the train. It's amazing. Love it up here. Now, let's go and get warm. See you guys. All right. It's always a challenge getting him to fall asleep. But anyways, that was a fun trip up there. I definitely felt the altitude. I've been in Colorado Springs for, I think, 6 years now. And I'm used to the altitude change. And yet, even when I go up to 14,000 feet, it was amazing how dizzy and out of breath I was. I really quickly ran to get that footage you guys saw of me at the top of the mountain, completely out of breath. I was sitting in the front of the cab going. So we do have our Christmas tree up. It's all lit up. It's nice and gorgeous. My grandmother-in-law was in town to watch that. Whoa, bad lighting. So that was a lot of fun. And if you guys are wondering why is it that we got that kind of a view from the cab, we were actually in the very back, and so when we went up the mountain, we got footage of us trailing, and then when we went straight down, we got footage of us just going straight down the mountain, so that was really cool to see. So I'm going to leave it off here. This is a little bit more of a vlog type episode. Tell me what you guys think. You like these kind, or do you kind of like where I have more of a talky aspect where just really kind of conveying what's going on? I like doing both. We do a lot of stuff every single weekend. Next weekend we're going swimming lessons and probably go do some Christmas shopping, but I don't know if that's something you guys even care about, or if you like these more talky episodes where I just discuss something that's really on my heart. So love to hear what you guys have to say. Leave some comments and love down in the comments below, and I will catch you guys next time. See ya.